In the previous videos, you got to know the different features and options that you have as a teacher. Curious to know what your students see from their perspective? This is an example of a student profile with access to a course that currently has only the first 2 packs unlocked. Remember, as a teacher, you can decide which course packs will be available to your students. There are several differences between a student profile and a teacher profile. First, in the Learning Center, your students will see only the courses you have opened for them. Secondly, students do not have the Open Solution option while inside a mission. Instead, they have a self-paced guided walkthrough describing the mission and the code they need to write in order to solve the challenge and reach the target. In some missions, students will have a tips button available if they need some help solving a mission. The last difference refers to the number of features in the navigation menu. Students do not have access to the My Classes menu, which is included only in teacher accounts. You'll get to know the My Projects and the scoreboard features in future videos. Now you can be sure what your students see on their side and what options are available to them. One last thing, teachers. If you are not yet familiar with the second pack in your course, then it is time to start solving the first 3 missions. See you in the next video!